Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Valorant error code 46. Let's fix it guys. You just need to click on the system tray. If right client or right vanguard is running in the background, just right click on it and select exit it. After that go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services find the VGC service, double click on it. Startup tab set to automatic and select apply. And now start the service. After that just to close stuff here. Now go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these commands, just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing both commands, just to close stuff here. Now you need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, right click on the right client and select open file location. Right click on the right client services.exe and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and select run compatibility troubleshooter option. You just need to select yes. Select the application that we are having problem with. Select the right client. Select none of this above. Do you want to apply the recommended compatibility settings for you? Select yes. Please try the application again. Now you just need to run the Valorant and check if the problem solved or not. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.